In today's world, financial disputes aren't just about who gets the house or the car in a divorce. They often come down to the credit score. But did you know that family lawyers and credit repair experts are increasingly playing a pivotal role in shaping the financial futures of families through courtroom battles? If you've ever wondered how credit conflicts impact legal proceedings or how these professionals work together to resolve financial disputes, this video is for you. First, let's set the stage. Divorce or separation can be one of the most stressful events in a person's life, and when financial issues come into play, things get even more complicated. Divorce settlements often involve splitting assets, managing joint debts, and ensuring that both parties are financially secure post-separation. But what happens when credit scores are part of the equation? This is where family lawyers come in. A family lawyer's job is to ensure that the financial aspects of a divorce are handled fairly, and that includes addressing how credit is affected. In many cases, one party might be left with a hefty amount of debt or, worse, damage to their credit score due to the other party's financial mismanagement during the marriage. A family lawyer can negotiate terms that protect their client's financial future, ensuring that debts are fairly divided and any damage to credit is mitigated. But what if someone's credit score has already taken a hit? That's where credit repair experts step in. Credit repair specialists are often brought in to help individuals who are facing challenges related to poor credit scores, especially following a divorce. These professionals use strategies like disputing inaccurate reports, negotiating with creditors, and even helping to remove certain types of negative marks from credit reports. Their role in the courtroom is often to provide expert testimony on how credit issues may affect the financial well-being of their client. In some cases, the work of a credit repair expert can have a significant impact on a court's decision. For example, if one spouse's credit was unfairly damaged by the other, the court may take this into account when determining alimony or property division. Credit repair experts can offer vital evidence that helps courts understand how credit issues should be considered when making financial decisions. But the relationship between family lawyers and credit repair experts isn't just about resolving conflicts. It's about collaboration. When these two professionals work together, they can develop comprehensive solutions that benefit everyone involved. Family lawyers can guide their clients through the legal aspects of credit management, while credit repair experts can help individuals rebuild their credit post-divorce, ultimately helping them move forward with a stronger financial future. As more families navigate complex financial landscapes in today's world, credit conflicts in the courtroom are becoming increasingly common. By understanding the role of family lawyers and credit repair experts, individuals can better prepare for the financial challenges that may arise, ensuring that they protect their credit and secure a healthier financial future after the dust settles. If this video helped you better understand the intersection of credit and family law, don't forget to like, leave a comment, and subscribe for more insights on navigating the complexities of family financial disputes.